Hello trader, we can see that XAUUSD on the daily chart after this pin bar we have seen there was an inverted hammer. Today the market has broken this important liquidity zone and the market again has got another rejection. So with that rejection, let's see what kind of opportunity we might have on the lower time frame. We'll be looking at 15 minutes potential entry opportunity in this market. Now before we look at, let's quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now monthly we can see that XAUUSD currently this month is in a pullback. Now we are almost at the end of the month. We can see that there was a 50% Fibonacci retracement and the market managed to break out. As if we look at the historical perspective in this market, we can see that this is a long term bull market. There is an inverted head and shoulder and then breakout from that inverted head and shoulder pullback, and we can see the market made another impulse to the upside, followed by this current monthly candle was a significant pullback. And what I think that XAUUSD may continue to rise to the upside to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the market might be doing now, from the weekly we can see that previous weekly candle was a complete bounce from this level. If we look at the overall picture from the weekly, we can see that overall this is also a very strong bull market. And after in this bull market we have seen 3 weeks of breakdown, and previous week from this support level the market managed to break out. Now with that breakout, this current weekly candle which is closing in 1.5 days, and we can see the bulls again started to bounce from this level after this rejection. The market trying to again go up for deeper movement. So if we look at the daily chart how the market might be doing now, we can see that from the daily there was a daily doji formation here, which is a very strong rejection, and previous day we saw an inverted hammer formation here. Now what we can see that today the market has broken this support level here, and after break of this previous daily low we can see the market again trying to form another rejection. Now what I think that we might see now potential bullish continuation in this market as the price has crossed the daily low and it managed to break out. So therefore we could see some upside bias potentially here. And today's we can see also there is a gap open, and I think the market might respect this gap and then continue to rise to the resistance line. If we look at the 4 hour time frame, well, we can see that in this lower time frame the market from this level here is a drop here to the support level, and there is a liquidity here. It's a narrow doji formation in that area, which is a high liquidity zone on the 4 hour, and from that liquidity zone we can see the market managed to break out. So looking at the 15-minute chart to see potential entry opportunity, and we can see that after this upside bias here the market managed to break out, and from that zone we can see there was a change of trend. And after retesting this support level, XAUUSD on the 15 minutes managed to break out again, and at this point we can see that this is a local uptrend from a head and shoulder, and the market managed to bounce again. As it is maintaining a typical bullish market structure, we'll be waiting for the market to break below this level, and as soon as we will find a potential break of structure on the lower time frame, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.